Advantages of electric ships compared to traditional fuel-powered ships. Electric ships offer significant advantages over traditional fuel-powered vessels, particularly in terms of environmental impact, economic efficiency, and operational convenience. From an environmental perspective, electric ships use clean hydroelectric power, allowing them to travel to 100 kilometers on a single charge. This can reduce annual fuel consumption by 530 tons and significantly lower harmful gas emissions. Economically, electric cruise ships have lower operating costs since they don't require diesel fuel. Their running costs are about 50% lower than diesel-powered ships. Additionally, electric ships have relatively low maintenance costs due to the simplicity of their electric motors, which lack the complex mechanical components that require regular upkeep. In terms of operational convenience, electric ships are easy to charge and operate. The liquid cooling plates installed in the ship's power batteries help optimize charging, discharging, and temperature control, thereby extending the vessel's lifespan. Moreover, electric motors offer more flexibility than engines, allowing propellers to rotate 360 degrees, which enhance maneuverability and flexibility.